So what are some great ways that you can start making side money today? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you my 5 favorite side hustle methods that I've personally used to make thousands of dollars every single year. All of that right now. What's going on, guys? Justin here with Broke Millionaire, the channel that helps you take control of your money. And on this channel, we do a lot of reviews on the latest budgeting apps, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know what kind of content you want to see more of by hitting the little poll right up there. Now, there's tons of reasons why you want to consider getting a side hustle. Maybe you have to pay for school, maybe you want to pay some extra bills, or maybe you want to go on that little dream vacation and you just need a couple of dollars more to do it. Well, there are tons of side hustles you can do. Some where you have to go outside and some you can even do from home. And these 5 right here is a pretty good mix of both. So let's just get straight to it. So my 5th favorite side hustle is one that I've been doing since I was 18 years old, and that's delivering food. I have literally delivered for almost every single company you can think of, whether it's Postmates, Uber Eats, Grubhub, you name it, I've most likely delivered food for them. And it's a great way of making some quick and easy side money. In just 5 hours, you can make upwards of $100, and that's even if you're just on a bike or walking. You can make even more money if you're in a car. Some of my favorite companies to work for include Postmates, Grubhub, and my number one being Uber Eats. And if you want to see how-tos on some of these methods of making money on the side, I do have a whole series that you can see right in the card above where you can go step by step into how to make money with all these side hustles. But let's just go straight to number 4, and that is flipping things. And when I say flipping anything, I mean you can flip almost anything from phones, books, video game consoles, you name it, you can probably make money off of selling it. And you can do this in one of 2 ways. You can either flip things that you already have in your house, or you can do what I did, which was flipping phones and flipping books. You go and buy these things for a low price, and you sell them on eBay for even more money. Number 3 on my list of favorite side hustles is dropshipping. And you've probably heard of this one if you've ever looked up how to make money online. Dropshipping is the process where you simply become the middleman between a supplier and a customer without you having to hold any physical property. All you have to do is just list products, people buy from you, and you take their money, buy the products at an even cheaper cost, and ship it straight to them. There's 2 main ways you can do this that everybody does. The first way that a lot of people seem to do this is through Shopify. They make their own brands, they make their own websites, they sell products from suppliers at a cheap cost and sell it straight to the customers from international. My personal problem with this is that international shipping takes a very long time. Even the fastest method that I've seen still takes about a week and a couple of days. So my favorite method of drop shipping is actually doing it on eBay, but drop shipping from Walmart. Basically, I post items that people want, they buy them off of me, I get paid through PayPal immediately when they buy, and I take the product from Walmart's website, pay for it with PayPal, and have it shipped straight to the customer. It's an easier way of doing it and requires absolutely no money from you to start. My second method, and this happens to be my most profitable way of making money, is actually writing eBooks. Now, I don't know if you know this, but Amazon has this awesome thing called Kindle Direct Publishing, which basically allows you to make your own ebooks and sell it through Amazon. And writing a book doesn't have to be that complicated. I walk you through step by step how to create a book and sell it through Amazon in another video that you can see right in the card. But I was able to write a book on how to grow on Instagram literally within a week. And since then, this was 2 years ago, I've actually made over $10,000 with that book alone. And imagine if you wrote 2-3 books, you made $30,000. Wouldn't that help you? Straight side money. Okay, we're gonna go on our number 1 method of making money on the side real quick. But first, if you found any value in this video at all, do me a favor, leave a like on this video because it does help my channel grow. And with that said, let's go to our number 1 method, which is what you're looking at right now, content creation. Yes, no matter what kind of content it is, you can make a lot of money from creating content, whether it's a blog, a podcast, videos on YouTube. I'm not saying that this is easy. It does take many hours of planning, shooting, editing, uploading. No matter what platform you're on, it's gonna take time to make money. But after you do create them, these videos, this content, all of this starts making money for you passively through things like ads, through affiliate marketing, and most other methods. Question of the day, guys, what is your side hustle? Maybe it's one that I should add to this list. Do me a favor, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.